I know. Nagluluto. Hindi, nagluluto kayo. Pero, feeling ko may twist talaga eh. So, oh my God! Oo.
Feeling ko naka-Chinese. Sundan natin ang recipe.
Wait lang.
There's food?
Yes, of course.
Oh my gosh. There's food. Boys, come here.
Allow us to use this space. And we'll attempt to match our secret quote-unquote chefs with our friendly reporters, who some of them didn't know that they're coming here to cook. But in order for from our storeroom to be creating something in the back of your kitchen, and there are challenges that they must accomplish before they get the ingredients. Now, the teaming of our YouTube creators and our reporters may be a good match, and we also want to make sure that they're able to cook. So we're going to make sure that they have got students from Global City Innovative College to be with them and helping them cook. So before we get to the teaming, we'll go through the rules of exactly what we're going to do. This is an innovation school, how you innovate in cooking the dishes. That will be 10 points. I don't know exactly the languages that your recipe has. I don't know if they're all in Hebrew, for example. One. All right. Go to H. Raymond Placido. Out there. Okay, come up with your name and from grammar. Lesson.
Come over.
Kita your past.
Ba kayo? Kinig ba kayo? Hi, Diana. Hi, Joem. Hi, Kanye. Just now daw tayo. Ano isa?
Tigluto ko ba?
Opo. Yan yan.
Okay, so we have two representatives of the other teams, please. Two reps.
May naisip ba kayo? Kailangan ba? Baby girl. Ito siya ba?
Ano? Oo na, Inday babies na lang. Inday.
What about your team? Do you have a name?
Any two reps?
Babae. Mga Inday.
Ngayon, mag-feature na.
Alright.
So, magaling sila magluto. Oh my gosh. Hello po. Ito na. Totoo na siya.
Alright. So start translating.
Saan ang group 3?
1 hour and 30 minutes na rin. Ay,
Magluto na kami.
Maluwag talaga.
wala.
Meron ba?
Nandyan sa ano.
Gawin tabuk to ba?
Sanay talaga.
Hindi ni, kasi baka magpalit ang sila. Paano ko ilalagay yung face?
Chill lang, huwag mataranta. Chill lang. Tanggal.
Nakukulog siya.
I-clear mo muna yung working table.
Just look lost.
Pinakuluan ko na. Olive oil ang pinito ko doon, di ba? Tapos iba-brush ko ng butter pasok sa oven.
Laglag mo yung butter, tsaka may
So ano ilalagay ko papunta sa oven? Ano, ito? Pwede ito?
Hindi, doon mismo sa pan. Okay na ba? Ano ba? Malambot na ito. Brush lang po sa mainit na tubig. Tapos strainer. Ang blanch like 1 minute lang. Hindi po, yung mainit na tubig. Gaganon nyo lang siya sa parang rinse lang sa Pwede ba maging classmate niyo? Mahal ata mag-aral dito.
Kaya na, mo eh.
Anong balak niyo after culinary school?
Mag-work. Mag-work sa hotel. Then, sa barko.
Ako mag-cruise.
Yeah.
Once you are done,
Sa kabila kami lagyan rin ng fresh
to
air.
report.
Ay, lagyan ng salmon, lagyan ng cream cheese. Tapos sa ibabaw yung caviar. Pero hindi siya tatakpan. Naka-half lang. Pero turo ko ulit naman.
Sabi, dami. Oh, yun na!
Hello, ang sunog. Buhay pa yung pimple.
Papa, what? Don't open.
Your tikasan ha?
Si Dayan. Ang galing.
Nakakailan. May pepper doon, ha?
Dayan! Ano na?
Okay na yan?
Hindi pa.
Mag-ano na lang tayo, mag-plating. Yun na lang, sana lang.
Yun na lang, o yan na.
Ayan na!
15 minutes na lang. 15 minutes.
Ano to? 3 tablespoon? Anong nakalagay dito?
Carla Tosino, ang kalaban ng Pampangas Best.
Ipo-pour lang to.
Oo. Pag umaapoy na siya, saka mo ilagay dyan. Tapos ice cream dito.
Ate, okay din yung ganun sa'yo. Tapos kami gusto nyo, aabos mo para mag-ano yung mag-apoy ka ba? Kasi wala na.
Wala. Hindi, apoy pa rin yan. Ang ina no.
Sino na? Umalis na kayo. Hindi ba kasi salt potato?
Gumamit mo ng
Basta serve, hot food.
Hot food? Oh my, hindi na siya hot. Yes. Paano?
Huli mo yung ice cream, mainit.
Ay, hindi. I mean na ice cream. Yung strawberry pala.
Ano lang yan? Yung spread, tapos ito, lalagay ito.
Nilalagyan ng sugar.
Malat din. Ay, chef, ano ba yan? Diyan siya.
Tignan yung strawberries mo, okay lang. Kasi hindi mo tutuloy.
Then, nalagyan natin yung ice cream dyan.
Oh, tapos ito yung pang-aano ko sa ice cream. Yung gano'n.
Oo. Ilalagay pa natin yung brand dito.
And then
Like red.
Walang tinidor.
Amazing. Please po, meron kayong mint doon.
Pa natin.
Ayan, maganda tingnan. Oh, that looks delicious.
Wow.
Ay, damn! They have mint!
Picture ko lang na
That's the Luz Viminda caviar. Luz Viminda caviar.
Nag-isip ako ng kalasa. Nag-isip ako ng kalasa ng
Sino? Profiterol.
So, you need to know. So like this, and
Uminom nga ako ng kape. Para...
Dugay ka man sa Manila.
Tuntong.
Nice. So this one, we can use our finger.
Hindi namin alam kung anong mangyayari. Bahala na.
What did they say? What's the feedback on your team?
I'm not
Did they taste it?
Yeah, they're looking like...
Yeah. My ours was like they tasted it and they just started laughing. So I was like, I hope that's a good sign. I don't know.
Oh, bahala na.
Konti lang. No, I don't. Not really at all. The Sion, what did you say, Gumaira? Isn't that little? Gumaira?
Maya, gamay, Bisaya ha? Bisaya ka? Asa ka kikan sa Bisaya?
Taga Jensan.
Jensan, General Santos City, Mayo eh. Bisaya ka. Ito to eh. You don't never know what I'm saying, you speak English.
Parang pancake style.
Oh, Mayo. Ano sa imong channel tayo? Ano sa imong channel? Krisha Uy. Okay, sige. Subscribe. Hello.
Picture to.
Oo naman.
Team Inday. Team Inday. Team Inday man ni. Judge. Kita naman sa face.
Huwag mo lagyan.
Sakto lang.
Here. Organic taste. Masarap. Pwede na lumidot.
Ano to? Pork?
Like blend.
May coriander yan? Ano nila?
No, it's not English sweet shrimp.
Ay, ano?
Parang may nalalasan ako parang ganun.
Coriander.
Ano yun?
Saka anis.
Yung anis.
Kasi dapat within 3 hours, gano'n.
O tatagos siya sa preso. Pailalim na siya.
Is getting a factor or a fraction of that artificial intelligence and making sure that they are learning. Go kids. You can plant your own parsley, your own basics. So you can
Gusto ko yan.
this. Chef Al Emerson. Chef
Oh no.
to give us some insights, observations.
Global Innovative College and we're looking into innovation. It's amazing how you were able to place innovation on the finished plates.
I like the teamwork, especially because it's physical engineering, it's first time each other. Even the college first time they met each other, they were able to work great. And it's fun because our kitchen doesn't normally have a lot of people cooking. So today was really different for each of us. It was exciting.
Pork yung medyo ninervous kanina. But amazingly, wala namang naging sobrang overcooked. So para kayong mga ano ba? Para kayong mga master chef na.
Wow! How about a hand for that? How about a hand for that?
Thank you so much to our judges. Please stay there and tell your award winners. Hope to actually enjoy cooking with an insert of our product, of course. It's been such a fun experience also for us. Daniel Sharap comes in third. With and then second place, which means first runner-up, is Bon Apetitos and Titas.
Minsan lang ako manalo na kahit ano. Ang galing na mga Inday.
Nakachamba ba ito?
Ang galing. Inday, ang galing. Worth it. Congrats! Gusto ko manalo.
Dagat pa kami congrats ulit.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Nen. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye. See you. Thank you.
Kaya mo? Kaya mo talaga?
Hanap ka ba yan nila?
Hanap ako
Saan to si Dudong? Cute. Ayan, oh, Google. Oh, buksan mo rin to for me, please.
Oh, kailangan mo siyang
Wow! Binigyan ako kami ng seeds. Yun yung sinabi.
Kasi seeds, baka ito.
Cool. Sa'yo siya nakafocus. So, thank you, Google Philippines.
Philippines, thank you.
Extra gift pa pala yung Google Lab. Sa phone ba siya? Kayo kaya mag-decipher ba to? Ano siya? Parang lab eh.
Saan siya? Sa car? Nakapatong na ganun.
What the face?
Ganyan.
Baka.
So, pinili ko yung parsley. Ito daw yung fertilizer, seed. So, tae ata yan. Kami. Ito yung, ano to, love?
Pebbles.
So, may soil na rin sila binigay. Then, this one.
The coconut part.
Then, chinek na namin yung Instagram account nila and yung website ng Kubo. 200 lang pala siya. So, you can plant your own
Kubo.
diba? Tipid na rin yun. Hindi ka na bibili ng parsley ever. Kuha ka na lang sa bahay. Sana lang mag-grow siya.
Tapos kailangan natin lagay yung day.
Oh,
Kung kailan mo siya pinlant para alam mo.
first time namin to. Glasses ka? Di na.
Yes, please. Para tayo nasa school.
How to take care: watering, fertilizing, repotting, pruning, and harvesting. Pests and diseases. Cool!
Bili tayo ng iba. Pag napatubo natin to, anong gagawin natin?
Bili pa tayo. Naku, feeling ko matutuwa ka dyan pag natubo mo yan. Maging si Papa ka na.
A farmer. Farmer sa loob ng condo.
Naging parse.
Dapat sa labas.
Okay.
Sana magtubo. Tubo.
Sana.
Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ginawa natin.
Salamat ka, ayo.